Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to make a video tutorial how to adjust or how to using grading in the Lightroom application. But now I'm using a phone because before I take this video, I try to download Lightroom in my laptop, but I don't know how or what happened. But if I want to use a Lightroom in this laptop, I should buy like that. So right now I want to using this handphone. Okay guys, first of all, here I finish or done prepare the photo, and then in the top of this photo I have a photo again, and inside in the photo is gradation from black color to white color. Okay, here I want to make tutorial for grading color only. So first of all, you can click edit. Okay, after that you can click color, and then here in the top we can choose grading. Nah, okay, in the grading color we have some part like that. First of all, the grading color is shadow, and then the second is midtones, and then highlight. Okay, first of all I want to explain about the shadow colors. Okay guys, the shadow colors is adjust the left the left side before black colors. So for example, if I change maybe the shadow to this, maybe nah, to the pink color, you can see guys, uh, the color left side before black will will change to pink color. And I want to give example again. If I change the color to green, so the color left side before black will change to green color. So yeah, the function is to change the color left side before black, like that. And then guys, next we can click this, there is a mic tones. So mic tones to adjust the middle between white and black colors. So for example, here I will give you explain. For example, maybe I will change to this, maybe a blue color. Nah, maybe blue color, or wait. You can see guys, if I change the color to red, so the middle between black and white will change to a color the same like I choose, like that. But here I want to choose blue color like this. Okay, and then next we will move to this. So this is highlight. So we have three parts. First is shadow, and then midtones, and then the last is highlight. So the highlights, the function is to adjust the color before white. So here I will give you example. Maybe I want to change the color to pink, to orange, like this maybe. Nah. So the highlight will change the color before white. So you can see here, here. So this part, the function is to shadow. It will change the color before black, and then in the middle, the name is mic tones. The function is to change the color between a middle between black and white, and then the last, this part, the name is highlight. So the function is to the change color before white like that. So guys, after that, here you can see in the right right side, you can see here there is a one circle again. If you click, so this is the name is global. You can see the name here. So the global function is to the change all of three part before. So if we click globals, will automatically change shadow and then mic tones, and then the last is highlight. So you can see this guys, this the color is green and then blue and then like peach like that. But if I change this color like this, nah, the color will be will be changed automatic, the shadow and then the mic tones and then the highlight. So for example, I will choose this color. Okay, and after that guys, we also have another setting like that. So you can click this. We have hue, saturation, and then luminance. So the hue, the function is to change the type of color. So maybe so here we have I'm sorry, we have, wait, I want to change this to this. So the hue here, the color is a green. So here I want to try to change to maybe purple. So guys, you can see if I change this color to purple, the color in the photo will change like I choose. So the function is to change the type of color. Okay, next saturation. So the saturation, the function is to adjust how strongly the fade of color it is like that. So if the saturation increase, it will be bright, but if the saturation is decrease, it will be fade like that. For example, if I increase the saturation, it will be very bright. But if I like that, the saturation is 0, the color will be fade. But I want to give this. Okay, next move to the last part is luminance. So the function of luminance is to adjust the brightness or darkness of a curtain colors. So here I want to give you example. If I up the luminance, here I change to plus 100, the color will be very bright. But if I change to the 0 color, to the minus 100, the color will be dark. Okay, but I want to give maybe this. Okay, guys, after I explain about the shadow, make tones and highlight, and then the second part is hue, and then after the saturation, and the last is luminance. Here I want to explain about the last part. There is blending and balance. You can see in the last part, the last part here, blending and balance. So the first I want to I want to explain about the blending. So the function of blending is adjust all mic tones and then shadow and highlight. So the function is to determine how strongly the color is applied to the photo. Okay guys, so you can see here I choose this yellow, blue and pink. So here I want to adjust this. Now you can see guys, if I change or adjust the blending to the 0, the color will be fade like that, not strong the color apply to the photo. But if I change this to the plus 100, the color will be very strong in the photo like that. And then the last is balance. So the function to the balance is to adjust shadows and highlight only. Before blending, function 3 to adjust the shadow, mic tones, and then highlight. But for balance, the function only 2, only for highlight and shadow, not mic tones. So maybe, for example, here if I adjust the balance to plus 100, the color will be very strong to the pink. But if I change the color to minus 100, the color will be strong to the shadow, like I choose shadow. Nah, you can see. So okay guys, I think enough for this tutorial. I hope you can understand how I explain. So this is the before photo and after I edit. This is before and this is after. So the conclusion, so color grading, the function is to adjust the color mood of a photo so it match to desired as atmosphere like that. And with color grading you can change or create maybe like warm or cool or maybe dramatic photo like that. So guys, I think enough for my tutorial video right now. Thank you for your listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.